Now let's review percent, and I hope that these set of questions help you prepare for your test. Application of percent, part of a whole. So that is kind of important here. In this particular question, the gist is we are looking at percent as part of a whole. The question is, Marie Curie, who studied radioactivity, was one of the few people to win 2 Nobel Prizes. She lived for 23 years in Poland and 43 years in France. What percent of her life did she live in France? So we're trying to find the percent of her life in France. So how will you do it? She lived for 43 years in France. So that is the duration she lived in France. And total life she had was 23 plus 43. So that comes in the denominator. 23 plus 43. Right? And percent means times 100. That gives you the answer. Part of the whole. So the part of the life which she lived in France is 43 out of the total life of 23 plus 43. And we need to find percent of her life which is spent in France. That should be 43 over 23 plus 43 times 100. I hope now you get it, right? So that is how you have to answer these questions. Now I'm not writing statements and all. At this stage we're kind of reviewing our concepts on percent. So you can use a calculator, get the answer. So it is 43 divided by, within brackets, 23 plus 43 equals to 43 over 66 times 100. And that is equal to 65.15. So you can say that about 65%. So the answer is about 65% of her life she lived in France. So that is how you can answer these questions. I hope the concept, part of a whole, for percent is absolutely clear here. Okay. Thank you and all the best.